comes to estimating bird net hardware, the most important step is to perform a correct site evaluation. Gathering the right dimensions and understanding the structural materials you're attaching to is key. Hi, this is Julie, and today Scott and I are going to briefly discuss how to estimate bird net hardware.
Yeah, absolutely. And on the last slide of this video is the website address of our detailed How to Estimate Net Hardware Guide. Be sure to download this guide as it's going to explain all the hardware estimation processes in much more detail.
To estimate the amount of cable or straining wire needed, calculate the perimeter of the job. Make sure you add additional lengths of the cable to your calculation for support cables and to ensure you have enough cable to loop through eye bolts and ferrules. As a general guideline, we suggest ordering an additional 10% of all materials for waste.
Yeah, absolutely, at least 10%. The corner attachments are the next step to calculate. And we've really got to make sure that we get this one right on because your corner attachments are where all the stress and tension are going to be on the whole system. We use eye bolts in every corner and wherever there's a support cable connection.
And the next step is to calculate fasteners, which includes turnbuckles and ferrules. You will need 1 turnbuckle and 4 ferrules for every length of cable.
Yeah, absolutely. And just a quick tip, when you're up on a lift, small pieces tend to drop easily, so make sure you take plenty of extra pieces with you.
Yeah, that's good advice. And the next step is to calculate intermediate attachments. These will vary depending upon the surface you're attaching the net to, but the general guide is to install 1 intermediate attachment for every 1 to 1.5 feet.
Yeah, absolutely. And the final step is actually to calculate the hog rings, how many you're going to need. And the amount of hog rings installed will depend upon the net mesh size. The 2-inch mesh requires 1 hog ring for every square. For the 3/4-inch mesh, we suggest 1 hog ring every other square. But depending on the job, you may also need to use hog rings for support cables and to attach zippers. We always suggest having an extra box or 2 of hog rings on hand just in case.
Yep, always better to be safe, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
During your site evaluation, be sure to notate any obstructions or extenuating circumstances that may require you to secure support cable to the net, as this may impact your bird net hardware calculation.
Absolutely.
We hope that you enjoyed this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. See you next time.
See you next time.
If you have questions about this tip or need additional assistance, please call our bird control experts at 1-800-392-6915.